Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi from Gigi's Canvas and today we're going to be playing with the Vault collection by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, the Armed and Gorgeous. We're going to be filming this look right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to show me some love down below in the comment section, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Love you. So I already primed my eyelids like always using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm applying this shade Agent all over the crease with a fluffy Sigma E40. And I'm just building that color. And I'm gonna dip into this shade called Secure with my Sigma E25 brush. And I'm just going to deepen the crease a little bit more. Did any of you buy the collection? I want to know. Let me know. With the same brush in this shade up here, which is called Smooth Criminal, I'm also going to take that and deepen the crease a little bit more. And I'm just using that same brush, using windshield wiper motions to blend this out. I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Prowl. Yeah, Prowl. And my Sigma M321. And I'm going to deepen that crease even more. And I'm also going to build that in the outer V right here. So how do you guys feel about everything that's going on in social media with all the YouTubers? There's just so much drama. And I am not about that life. Instead of focusing on just being positive, a lot of people focus on the negative. And it's just really sad. And sometimes discouraging, especially for myself too. Like, I want to be part of this whole lifestyle. I mean, I'm not, because I'm nowhere near where these people are, but it just sometimes it makes me think about what really matters in life. And yes, I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. I enjoy doing makeup looks. It's just something that I really enjoy. But sometimes I'm like, what's the point? Like, why am I doing this? Like, I could be with my kids, with my family. I just get really discouraged. But then, you know, I feel like sometimes it helps me because this is kind of like a creative outlet for me. And yes, I am a mom. I work a full-time job. You know, I'm married. It's a lot. And this, when I take the time to do my makeup and just be creative, it's a me moment. And I really like taking some time for myself. But I don't know. I'm taking this shade right here, Top Secret, with that same brush, which is the Morphe M321. And I'm just building it right next to the brown in the outer corner. Sorry, I got carried away. But yeah, and then you start thinking, you know, like, am I good enough? There's so many creative people on Instagram that are constantly uploading every single day, and realistically, I don't have the time to do that. I wish I could, but I can't because I have life. I have kids to feed. I have a husband to take care of. Myself, you know, I'm working, like I said, so if I don't post or upload as often, just know that it's not because I don't want to. I just need to be able to balance my life. Maybe someday I'll have the ability to stay home and just focus on the things that I like to do. But for now, your girl gotta work. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. You can use whatever concealer you have on hand. I'm actually using, now I'm just gonna blend this like so. I will say though, that top secret color, which is the green shade, tends to grab onto little areas and look patchy. So that's where I applied some of the concealer, and as you can tell, it looks like it grabbed onto that concealer a little bit too much. So I don't like that. Now I'm gonna go with the star of the show, which is the shade right here, Coin, with a super small brush. I'm going to apply that to the whole lid. Holy Chanelly, this color is so intense. It is so foil without even wetting the brush. It's so pretty. I think this is one of my favorite shades out of the whole collection because it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply that and then blend that green into the gold. And I'm gonna try to cover that patchy green area that was there that I didn't like. I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called VIP, which is the whitish, intense super shadow in a Morphe M250-0. And I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner. If you guys hear my kids, I am so sorry. Everybody is like, my kids are back to school. Not mine yet. They have another week to go. They're going nuts. Now that I have the rest of the face done, we're gonna continue with the lower lash line. And first I'm gonna take this shade here, which is called Secure. And also I will be listing all of the products used down below, in case you're wondering. I'm gonna take a flat definer brush and taking this dark brown shade called Prowl. I'm going to put this on the lower lash line closest to the waterline, and then connecting it to this outer part right here. Also taking a black eyeliner and just running it all through the waterline and smudging it out. I'm gonna take this shade Access right here with a MAC pencil brush and try to blend this a little bit more down for some smokiness. So I have been testing out all of the palettes, and so far my favorite one is Ring the Alarm, which is the reddish tone one, and the purple one, Bling Boss. Those are my two favorite ones. The blue one, which is Dark Magic, I did a video on it. I'm gonna link it at the end of this one in case you want to watch it. The shadows were good. I just feel like I didn't really think the look through, so it didn't come out as pretty as I wanted it to, but the shadows are pretty. I mean, but it's just not my favorite. This one is really pretty also. Which one is your favorite? If you haven't picked them out yet, which one are you thinking of picking up? Are you getting the whole collection? Let me know. I'm putting a little bit of that coin color right underneath here for a little bit more of a pop. Bringing it up and then going back with that white VIP color and just blending the two together. Now for lashes, I'm gonna dig into these right here. These are Intoxicating by Flutter lashes. I have been wearing the shit out of these lately because they are so pretty. This is what they look like. They are so fluffy and wispy and full, and I live for it. I live for it. Oh my god, I poked my eye when I was doing my lashes and now it's running. For the highlighter, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of Proseco Pop and Champagne Pop. Just mixing the two. For lips, I'm gonna take this Jeffree Star in Hunty. And a little bit of setting spray to set everything in place. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super short tutorial. I'm working on a few different types of videos, so bear with me while I get those ready for you guys. But in the meantime, don't forget that the world is your canvas, so make it pretty. Mwah! Love you guys, and I will see you on my next video.